Nothing is taking a strategic leap forward with the upcoming launch of Nothing OS 4, aiming to move beyond just another Android skin into a more intelligent, unified software experience. While the company hasn't fully disclosed every detail, their vision is becoming clear. Build an operating system that behaves less like a static tool and more like a proactive partner. At the core of this transformation is AI. Carl Pei and his team are betting big on artificial intelligence, not as an afterthought, but as an integrated framework that enhances every interaction with the device. A recent teaser revealed a refined visual language, revamped widgets, redesigned icons, and smoother transitions, all contributing to a more cohesive and natural user interface. This reflects a clear intention to elevate how users engage with their devices, blending aesthetics with real functionality. Google's stable release of Android 16 to Pixel devices has set a precedent. With improvements such as Material 3 Expressive, tighter Gemini AI integration, and productivity-focused features like custom keyboard shortcuts, it's evident that Android is heading toward a smarter future. According to Android Authority and multiple developer forums, Nothing OS 4 is expected to incorporate many of these system-level upgrades into its own platform. During a segment at the Android show's I/O edition, Carl Pei confirmed that Nothing phones would offer a more polished and secure Android experience, suggesting that OS 4.0 won't just follow Android's evolution, it will build on it with a distinct identity. What's especially interesting is Nothing's longer-term ambition. Pei has spoken openly about his desire to build an independent operating system similar to Apple's iOS. While this goal may still be several versions away, Nothing is already laying the groundwork. The current Nothing Phone 3 runs on OS 3.5 based on Android 15, and it introduced features like AI-powered Essential Search, Essential Space, and Flip to Record, all of which are tightly woven into the user experience rather than being superficial add-ons. With OS 4, this AI-centric direction becomes more prominent, as Pei emphasized that the community has helped shape how AI should function natively within the OS, fast, responsive, and intuitive. The company is also prioritizing longevity and trust. Nothing promises 5 years of Android OS updates and 7 years of security patches, which sends a strong message of support to users and developers alike. Moreover, better developer tools are in the pipeline to allow deeper customization of the signature Glyph interface, making the platform more appealing to tech-savvy users who crave personalization. The open beta of Nothing OS 4 is set to roll out very soon, first to the Nothing Phone 3, with the Phone 2 and 2A expected to follow shortly afterward. Once refined, the final stable release will bring a richer experience that's AI-driven, functionally superior, and visually distinct. As for the release timeline and pricing, Nothing OS 4 Open Beta is expected to arrive within the coming weeks, with a stable rollout later this year.